Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit at your home. Today I'm going to start a new chapter, chapter 18, and the chapter name is Water from Different Places. In this chapter we are going to know about importance of water, water source, that means from where we get water or that is fit for drinking or not, it is pure or clean or not, and how can we save water, because if we save water, water will save our life. Because student, water is life. Without water, we can't survive. This is a short story. Let's start it. What to drink? Cripple was reading her book. Cripple is a girl. She is reading her book. When she heard someone at the door, she saw that there was a guest, and she heard someone at the door and she saw that was a guest. Guest means mehman. Father welcomed the guest. Whose father? Cripple father welcomed the guest. He told Ruchan to bring a cold drink for him. The guest said, I will not take cold drinks. I want a glass of water. And the guest said, I don't want cold drink. I only want a glass of water. Father said, this day we are not getting water that is fit for drinking. It does not even look clean. It would be better if you do not drink this water. We do not have a choice, so we drink it. The father is saying, this day we are not getting water for fit for drinking. That means the water is not pure and clean. It does not even look clean. So water is not looking clean, so it not fit for drinking. It would be better if you do not drink this water. We do not have a choice, so we drink it. Now turn your page. Now see in this picture, full family is going somewhere. Where they are going? They are going park. Water games. There were big water park in the North Gujarat. One day Sachin and Neeru went to water park with their parents. Sachin and Neeru, they went to the park with their parents. Were many water fountains. Neeru said, look Sachin, there are so many rides in the water park. Neeru and Sachin is brother and sister. Look at all these big ponds. Sachin says, slap, slap, slap. Both turned around. They saw a long, thick water whose going zoom, zoom, zoom. And they saw a long, thick water that's sounding is zoom, zoom. That's going and sounding is like zoom, zoom, zoom. Sachin went up so high on the slide, and Sachin is sliding here. So Sachin went up so high on the slide. Within a second, he had landed in the water whoosh. So within a second, the slide come in, landed in the water whoosh. Neeru gave a shriek of surprise. Just then, they heard a lots of noise and loud voice from outside to the park, and they all heard a lots of noise and loud voice from outside of the park. Even when ran toward the main gate there, and they all go outside of the park, and they saw there were a crowd of people carrying empty buckets and pot. A small child carrying an empty bottle was clinging to his mother. Sachin's mother went to one of the women in the crowd. What is the matter? She asked. Who's asked? Sachin's mother is asked, what is the matter? Why all are carrying the empty buckets? The woman replied angrily. Who replied? The another woman replied angrily. You are asking what is the matter? Our wells have no water. And the woman is said, you are asking what is the matter? The well means कुआं have no water. Well मतलब कुआं में भी पानी नहीं है. We get our water only when the tanker comes once a week, and they are getting only once a week when the tanker comes. even today that have not come, and tanker today also not come. And here there is so much water everywhere just for you to play and enjoy. The this lady is saying here is so much of water, so just for you play and enjoy. Tell me, what should we do? So student, this fact is reality. Such a thing should not happen because such a lots of water is wasted in a water park just for shake and entertainment and fun. So people are nearby village and the poor peoples are for a little bit of water is not right, so they are getting so much of disparate for a little bit of water, and some water is wasted in the water park just for shake and entertainment of or fun. Now see this, can we drink this? Alice Breeze, Ahmedabad. The lift stopped at the 20th floor. Smith loves going in the lift. Smith is love to going in the lift, but it stopped at the 20th floor. Today is a holiday in school. Smith have gone with his mother to Anju Madam house. His mother worked there. The house was quite clean and shiny. Anju was reading newspaper. Who is reading newspaper? Anju. She smiled at Smith and asked, "It is a holiday today." Who smiled? Anju smiled and asked to Smith, "It is the holiday today." She watched on the TV and Smith was soon lost in the world of cartoon. And Smith is lost in the world of cartoon now. At that time, Anju Madam shouted, "Oh, Chaya, it is says in the newspaper that is gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipe in this area. It says that many people are sick with diarrhea and vomiting. Because of this, please throw away the water that was filled yesterday. Put some fresh water to boil for drinking. Also take some boiled water for your family." Smith was happy to hear this. "I thought at least today I will not have to stand in a queues for water. It is a real holiday for me." Discuss. Where Smith lives, everyone has to stand in a queue to fill water from the common public tap. In Anju's house, water comes all the day in the tap. Why this? Anju read newspaper about the water in the newspaper. Have you read any news about water in the newspaper? What kind of news it? So what Anju read in a newspaper? She read the gutter water has got mixed in the water in the drinking water pipe in the Anju's area. Many people are sick with diarrhea and vomiting because of this. So Anju was worried about the purifying the water. Do yourself own and discuss. Look through last 1 month newspapers. Look for all news items related to water. Cut them and collect them. Stick all the cutting together on a big papers to make a college. Discuss in the class. Have you ever suffered from diarrhea and vomiting? How did you feel when we have diarrhea and vomiting? How we feel? We feel very ill, we feel very weakness. We lost lots of water from our body. This is very dangerous for body. It is important that we make up for the water that we lost from our body. We should drink a lot of water when this happen. We should also mix some salt and sugar in the water. Sometimes student we go somewhere for fair, for visit somewhere, some place. So we had drunk water from the public tank or impure water, and that time we suffered a lots of diarrhea and vomiting for this because of impure water. Let's make solutions of salt and sugar. Mix a teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt in a glass of boiled water and cool it. Taste it to make sure that there is not too much salt. The water should not taste more salty than our tears. When a person have diarrhea and vomiting, the water must be sipped slowly by him or her. Light food must be taken with it. Babies should continue to take their mother's milk. It is also necessary to take some medicine. They can also have some homemade remedies. If the diarrhea does not stop, it is important to get advice of a doctor. So whenever we suffer from diarrhea and vomiting, it is very difficult for us even get up from the bed. So we feel very weakless. So it is very important on that time to get the advice of a doctor. Water survey in school. Make three groups of students in your class. One group will find out about the arrangement of drinking water in the school. The second groups will find out about the arrangement of toilet in the school. The third groups will find out about the illness affecting children in the school. So this is the three groups. The question given below will help the groups to collect the information. So observe and notice. Put a tick in the right box. Where does the water come from in your school? Tap, tank, hand pump and other that you have to take. From where do you take water to drink in your school? Tap, tank, hand pump and other. Observe and notes. Put tick in the box. What are the toilet arrangement in your school? Built toilet and open toilet. So here you have to tick. How many toilets are there? So you have to write here numbers. So you have to count and then you have to write here number. Are these separate toilet for girls and boys? Yes. Is there water in the toilets? Yes. Where does the water come from? The tap from tank has to brought from home. So yes, tap, tank has to brought only for drink. Is there water for washing hand near the toilet? Yes. Do you wash your hand after using the toilet? Yes. Is there any tap that is leaking or dripping? No. Are the toilet kept clean? Yes. Talk with the children in your class and fill in the table given below. In the last few months, how many children in the class have suffered from any of these? Write name of these children. Number, diarrhea and vomiting, yellow urine, yellow skin, and eye, middle fever, stomach ache. So these are activity. Okay, so this is the work of group 3. Elder's vision. This is a story about 30 years ago. This is the story of 30 years ago. In Raj Samdiyal, village of Rajkot, the problem of water raised. The Sarpanch of this village was a man with deep insight and vision. At that time, the contacted district rural development agency and requested them to build a check dam. In 1985, rural development agency built 45 check dam in 1090 H area in this village. Next year there were heavy rain in this area, so all check dams got filled with water. The level of water raised up about 50 millimeter deep water level was available to the people. In 2002, there was dropped. However, because of the vision of the people of this village, they did not have any trouble. That year also deep were able to talk crop for all the 3 seasons. People were happy and healthy. So here your chapter is completed.